Hi there, I am Cheyenne and this is my channel Shy's Designs. I am here to breathe life back into furniture and make beautiful pieces affordable again. Let's get started. To open up this video, we have a builder grade bedroom here, previously used as an adaptable room for whatever me and my husband needed it to be. I am so excited about this transformation because it is for my firstborn daughter and she is graduating to a big girl room. This transformation is so near and dear to me, and I can't wait to see how happy it makes her to have this space all to herself. I painted the trim of the room first so that I could get it all out of the way and just fill in with the roller. I only painted 3/4 of the way down because I intended to paint the bottom a different color. I sloughed off any debris that the rollers may have had on them, and I filled in the rest of the walls with a warm white color called Greek Villa. Then I marked where my tape would need to go and then taped off the part of the room that I would paint blue. The blue is a color match, so I included the formula in the description. I love this color blue, and I chose this position on the wall because it brings down the eye to my toddler's height level to make it more of her own space, more cozy, more bedroom feel. Then I kind of rounded out an area where I wanted my sun to go. Then I painted the yellow sun that would center her bed in her bedroom, and the color is called honeycomb. I wanted the color to vary throughout the circle and to give it a little bit of movement, so I just kind of put it on haphazardly. Finally, I painted the blue part of the room. I painted over the base of the tape with white to get a perfect blue line across the entire room. It worked like a charm. Now to pull off that tape to make it and keep it a perfect line, I pulled off the tape just as the paint was almost dry, still a little bit tacky, just so that it wouldn't chip anywhere. Next, I painted her closet. I removed the doors so that she wouldn't have to worry about opening and closing them herself, since they're pretty hard to maneuver and this room is supposed to fuel her independency. This warm rusty color symbolizes a sunset that I saw in Hawaii that was just absolutely amazing. It goes perfect in the closet because on the opposite side of the room is where the sun rises in her window. Then I painted the letters to her name that are wooden, and the shade is like a mauve pink color that I homemade. Next, I set up all of her furniture. I had 2 3-cube shelves for her storage. I had 2 rash dressers from IKEA to set up for her folded clothes. I hung up her velvet blackout curtains from JCPenney's that I got a huge deal on. I hung up the curtain rod from Target, and I also got her pink velvet covered hangers for all of her hang-ups. And we painted some pictures together to hang up in her room as well, and I'm super happy about how they turned out. After putting everything together now, I would say this room is perfect for my daughter. It feels her independence, her love of outside, and it narrows in on her maturity that she already shows with this abstract minimalist theme, an ode to Hawaii. I paint and hang up her letters for her name. I slide in her custom bed, and I stage this beautiful room for her. Minus wanting to customize her dressers, I would consider this room done. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and she is just going to love it. And as she grows, this room will grow with her. Minus wanting to customize her dressers, I would consider this room done. I would say that this room is perfect for my daughter. The blue line brings down the room and makes it a lot more comfier. It will grow with her, and it fuels her independence, her love of outside, and it is an ode to Hawaii, where her dad and I met. This room transformation cost me about $200 a weekend to complete, and that $200 doesn't include that customized bed that was gifted to her by her grandparents. Thank you so much for taking this time out to watch my furniture flip. If you enjoyed this video or happen to learn something, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget about the giveaway that I mentioned in my last video with the velvet chairs furniture flip. And until next time, see you then.